Hey guys, this is Ethan. I'm here to show you a Lego, a Lego helicopter from Lego Star Wars. I built it on my own. It has a helicopter thing that goes on the top, and there's a space in the middle of the front, kind of. And then the back, there's something that's in the box. I'll show you that later. So let's start with the minifigure. First, there's only one minifigure. So, he has a golden sword, and he has a helmet, and he's black. He has something over here, but it's not control panels. They just made it up. So now I showed you the minifigure already. So all right. Now I'm going to show you the big vehicle. It is the helicopter. I'll have to fix it. Here's a helicopter. There's a little seat space here where the pilot goes. In the back, here's this thing. There's something in there. I just put it in there. And these are the shooting thing, the blasters that shoot. These are lights. This is the flat control panel, and I use this black thing to put it on here, and then this can spin. And then these are when it flies, they shoot, and you can see a lot of yellow swing really fast. And here are the pointers that they need to go fast, like that. These are these blues that connect them together. And here's a holder that holds his sword. So I'm done with my vehicle. So goodbye.